Welcome back to LGS Cars, your trusted source for all things automotive. Today we dive into the Renault Captur 2025, a stunning evolution of the compact SUV that has won hearts globally. With its sleek design, enhanced performance, and advanced technology, the 2025 Captur raises the bar for modern crossovers. Whether you're looking for eco-friendly efficiency or premium comfort, this new iteration has it all. Design: a stylish compact SUV, the Renault Captur 2025 features a dynamic and sophisticated design. A refined front grille and slim LED headlights enhance its bold presence. New body colors like azure blue metallic and copper sunset add vibrancy and individuality. Its athletic stance is complemented by 18-inch alloy wheels and sleek roof rails. This aerodynamic design not only looks great, but improves efficiency and stability on the road. Performance: power meets efficiency. The 2025 Captur offers versatile powertrain options. 1.3-liter turbocharged engine delivers 140 horsepower, perfect for urban and highway driving. E-Tech Hybrid combines a 1.6-liter petrol engine with electric motors for excellent fuel economy. Plug-in Hybrid, PHEV, provides up to 50 kilometers of pure electric driving for zero-emission urban travel. Each variant is paired with an automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth and responsive driving experience. Interior: comfortable and high-tech step inside the Captur 2025, and you'll be greeted with premium materials and cutting-edge tech. A 10-inch digital instrument cluster and a 9.3-inch infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Enhanced cabin flexibility with sliding rear seats and up to 536 liters of cargo space. Luxurious options like leather upholstery and ambient lighting for a sophisticated touch. Safety and technology: Renault has equipped the Captur 2025 with an impressive suite of safety features. Autonomous emergency braking and lane keeping assist to prevent accidents. Adaptive cruise control for hassle-free long-distance driving. A 360-degree camera and park assist for added convenience. The Captur also features Renault's latest connectivity and navigation systems, making every journey more enjoyable. Why choose the Renault Captur 2025? Stylish and versatile design for urban and outdoor adventures. Eco-friendly hybrid options, reducing emissions and saving fuel. Spacious and tech-forward interior, perfect for families or solo travelers. Comprehensive safety systems, offering peace of mind on every drive. A competitive price point that delivers excellent value for money. Conclusion: the Renault Captur 2025 perfectly balances style, technology, and sustainability. Its innovative design and performance capabilities make it a standout in the compact SUV segment. Whether you're after efficiency, luxury, or versatility, the Captur 2025 delivers it all. What's your favorite feature of the Renault Captur 2025? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to LGS Cars for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest automotive trends.